Binance Referral Code. Simply click the top link down below to get the best Binance Referral Code and best welcome bonuses. As you can see right here, you can get $600 USDT trading fee credit through the special link down below in the video description or in the pinned comment section down below through this landing page. Because typically, if you sign up like anywhere else, for the most part, you only get up to 100 USDT in sign up rewards, which is great, but it's not really that much in comparison to the special link down below, where you can actually get 600 USDT in trading fee credit. And you'll probably see like other videos doing like going over this topic, and they only have like $100 USDT sign up reward. But if you actually sign up through the link down below or in the pinned comment section down below in the video description, or in the pinned comment section down below in the comment section, sorry, you'll be able to get $600 USDT trading fee credit, which is absolutely amazing. And yeah, you just complete some task and you can basically get like a nice little head start to get started with Binance. So yeah, you can basically create an account through the link down below via email or whatever through by clicking the top link down below, and yeah, you can get started with Binance and yeah, get $600 USDT trading fee credit through the link down below through the link down below the video. So that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching today's Binance referral code video.